If you want to add cinematic black bars to your video in Adobe Premiere Pro, here's the fastest and cleanest way to do it. The first method is to go to Google, search for cinematic black bars, and download a transparent one. Now open Premiere Pro and make sure your clip is on the timeline. Go to the Project panel and import the downloaded file. Drag the cinematic black bars above your video clip on the timeline and extend them to cover the entire clip. The second method is to go to the Project panel, click New Item, and select Adjustment Layer. Make sure the settings match your sequence and click OK. Drag the adjustment layer above your video clip on the timeline and extend it to cover the entire clip. Now select the adjustment layer, go to the Effects panel, search for Crop, and apply it to the adjustment layer. Go to Effect Controls and under Crop, increase the top and bottom values equally. A common cinematic look is around 12 to 15%, but you can adjust this to your preference. That's it. You now have cinematic bars that won't affect your original video and can be easily adjusted or removed at any time. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.